everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So I thought we'd clean a few tools today, and not only that, clean the Misty and my green mat. Now I did clean this just the other day, believe it or not, and it was sparkly clean, and then I made the mistake of making a video straight after and it got covered in glue again. So this tool is going to be cleaned anyway. So what I'm going to do is scrape off all the glue first, as you can see. And I know we've all got our own little hacks and tips for cleaning our tools, but I thought A, I'll do it on camera because I know that it'll get done, and B, if you haven't used Goo Gone before, I highly recommend it. It's a very oily liquid cleaner, and it kind of counteracts the stickiness in the glue and then ends up removing it. Now it smells like oranges, so you haven't got to worry about it smelling chemical. I'm just going to put a little bit on this towel and then go over my board. And as you go, you can lift up bits of glue that are still attached to your board or surface, and it will bring it up quite easily, as you can see. So there, let me show you this bit here. Going to take it over this glue here, and off it comes. So as it says on the bottle, Goo Gone, yes, goo is gone, and it leaves an orange, citrus orange smell to your surface. Now it won't take off this paint, and I think I could probably get it off with brake cleaner, but I'm only using this product today, so I'll have a look at that at a later date. Right, so that's that. Then of course we've got to give my glass board a clean as well. So let's take it over that, and it's going to bring off any glue bits, anything with adhesive in it, it's going to pick it up. Now the trouble with my glass board is that it's got a grain pattern on the top of it, and bits tend to get stuck inside the grain. As you can see, there's some paint there. Again, I could probably get that off with brake cleaner, so I'm not that worried. Right, let's move on to the Misty. Now you know I've been meaning to clean this for so long. Haven't had the time, but today it's been cleaned. So again, it will take off all the glue bits. You can loosen them up with a spatula, anything like that. I keep this one in the craft room because it's very useful. And then go over it again. And it will bring it up clean. And of course you've got the citrus smell on it, so it's not left no chemical smell behind. Then we've got to do the inside. And there is some glue on the inside there. So let's take the glue off first. The ink is another problem. Oh, actually, there we go. It's loosened it up. So it's loosened up the ink and it's actually taken it off. It's a little bit of elbow grease. So it is actually bringing it off. There we go. Now, I mean, it's not going to be perfect because my Misty is quite old. And it's been through the wars. But it has cleaned it off incredibly well. There we go. Finally, the Misty's clean. Right, now move on to scissors. Now, you know I've been meaning to clean my big scissors for a long time now. So let's get some on that. And you know, you're just loosening up the glue first of all. Scraping off what you can. And then go back over it again. And it will free up other things that are stuck to the tool as well as the glue. Now, it's not a cheap product, it has to be said. But you know, you don't need an awful lot. As you can see, this particular bottle has got a tiny little hole in it in the middle. So all you need to do is squeeze a little bit onto a cloth and you're there. Now look at that. How good are they? So that's my big scissors. Got glue all over the handle, mind you. Let's find some more product. But you can see just exactly how it cleans things up. I mean, such a good product. I've used it ever since I started crafting. And of course you need to make the time to clean your tools when you can, because when you get to make another project, it just, there we go, it just frustrates you so when you can't open and close things because they're all stuck together. So my little scissors, let's just get some of the glue off. Look at that, little bit of elbow grease, good as new. So I highly recommend it. We've got a ruler in here. Now this isn't actually glue, okay, this is clay. So I want to see whether it takes this off and cleans it up. I don't see why it shouldn't. Look at that, there we go. Just a little bit on the end there. Let's clean that up, no problem. So it will take other chemicals off. It's all off of there. It will take other chemicals off your products, but you know, it's a bit hit and miss as to what it will remove and what it won't. But it will definitely remove glue and adhesive. Okay, so this is the last one, which is my scraper. And I need to kind of scrape the glue off first, like that, and then go over it and it'll be as good as new. So let's clean that back up again. That can go away. Towel, a little bit of product, take it over the scraper. And there we go. Clean. So yeah, highly recommend it if you can get a bottle. They do come in all different size bottles. You don't have to get one this big. They do ones that are, I think, about 3 mils, maybe 5 mils, I can't remember. I don't think it's on the shelf. If you can't get the Goo Gone, is 151 sticker remover. It does work on adhesive, but it's not as good as the Goo Gone, okay, and it hasn't got a citrus smell or anything. So just have a look around. You might be able to get it on sale. You know, these things come up on sale all the time. So yeah, just a little tip and trick. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe and like. If you've subscribed already, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Keep your comments coming. I love to see your comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.